Airplanes move relative to the air that surrounds them. Suppose a pilot points his plane in the northeast direction. The airplane moves with speed of airplane speed 160 meter per second relative to the wind, and the wind is blowing 32 meter per second. The direction is east to west, and it is with respect to the ground. And my dear students, it is the relative velocity topic in the relative motion topic. Here first you have to count the number of object. That is, one is plane, number two is the wind, number three is the ground. Now the question they ask, what they gave the speed of plane is 160 meter per second with respect to the wind, and they give, and they the another given value is 32 meter per second, that is the speed of wind with respect to the ground. So it is connected like this, the plane to the wind and the wind to the ground. If you read like this such a question, and the answer is very simple and easy, just you have to make a formula that they ask the question, what is the speed or the velocity vector of airplane relative to the ground? See, velocity of plane relative to the ground is equal to VPW VWG. See here, W and W is common, and plane is the first object and the ground is the last object, and the wind you will be taking common for these two. So VPW means, what is VPW? The speed of plane with respect to the wind. What is PWG? The speed of wind with respect to the ground. Just we are adding vector addition. It's a vector addition, not a normal addition, but it is easy. Just follow. Now here there are speeds are given. First, the airplane speed. The plane speed is 160 meter per second, but it has the direction. The direction is northeast. So you can see here, north, south, east, west. Since they mention northeast, it is exactly at the middle, and it creates 45 degree. The 45 degree will not be given, and it is known. Okay, northeast means 45 degree. The line is at the middle. Okay, and in this direction, the speed of plane is 160 meter per second, and you can see it has the y and x coordinate and easy to find. Now first, VPW, the speed of plane is how much? 160 with respect to the wind. So but it has two components. First you write the cos components of 45 plus 160 sine component of 45. Okay, this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. And velocity of wind respect to the ground. Velocity of wind is given here 32 meter. The direction is east to west. East is here, west is here, and it is going to this direction, to the left direction, and it is negative value, negative x. So you can say minus 32 and the negative x direction. That is speed of plane with respect to the ground. Okay, now 160 divided by 2, because cos 45 is 1 divided by root 2. So 160 sin 45 also divided by root 2 minus 32, this x coordinate x, and this is y. Now we can take the same term, this all are x coordinate plus 160 divided by root 2 y coordinate. Now VPG. Now what we can do, we can find the direction. To find the direction, as we know, take the mod absolute value square root of x square, that is 160 by root 2 minus 32, and its square, this value, and this value's square plus 160 by root 2 square. The answer is 139 meter per second, and we found the the magnitude. The magnitude of the speed of plane with respect to the ground is found, that is 139. Now we have to find the direction. It's very easy. Tan inverse y by x. What is y? Here, this y value, that is 160 by root 2, tan inverse, and divided by this division here, this division, and x value is here, 160 by root 2 minus 32. Now the answer is 54 degree. So the angle is 54 degree. And the last, the question is asking, how far off course does the wind blow this plane in 2 hours? The speed of wind is acting from east to west, and the plane is moving northeast. So this wind speed will move the plane in some distance. That distance we have to find. So it is the normal, the position is equal to speed of wind with respect to the ground multiplied by time. We know the speed of wind with respect to the ground is given 32, and the time is 2 hours they are asking for. So 2 times 3600, because 2 hours, 2 into 1 hour has 3600 seconds. Why are we converting 3600 into seconds? Because the speed is given in meter per second. As we have second here, the time must be in seconds. And after finding it, 230,400 meter, and change into kilometer, 230,230.4 kilometer.